Today, we are going to learn about the production possibility frontier. First, let's define what exactly is the production possibility frontier, or PPF. The PPF is a curve that shows the maximum amount of the quantities of products that can be produced given the resources and available technology. Generally, the PPF consists of two products. If you remember from our absolute advantage versus comparative advantage video, the PPF illustrates what amount of a product or combination of products can be produced using all available resources and technology. Thus, if a point is on the PPF curve, production is efficient, which means they are using all of their available resources and technology to produce a combination of the two items. If the point is inside the PPF curve, the production is inefficient, which means they are not using all of their available resources and technology. And if the point is outside of the PPF curve, then there are not enough resources available or technology available to create that combination. Now, let's take a look at the PPF below. On the vertical axis, we have microwaves, while on the horizontal axis, we have refrigerators. At point A, we can see that it lines up with where the PPF intersects the vertical axis. Thus, at point A, production is efficient, and it is only producing microwaves. At point B, we can see that the point is on the PPF curve, at a point in between the horizontal and vertical axis. Thus, this means that production is efficient, and both microwaves and refrigerators are being produced. If we look at point C, it is within the PPF curve, in between the horizontal and vertical axis. This means that both microwaves and refrigerators are being produced. Yet, production is inefficient, and not all resources and available technology is being used in production. Last is point D. Point D lies outside of the PPF curve. This means that there are not enough resources available to create that combination of microwaves and refrigerators. The PPF has a negative slope as an increase in production of one product lowers the production of another. For example, in this case, if we increase the production of refrigerators, you'll have to lower the production of microwaves. Now, you might be wondering, why is the production possibility frontier concave to the origin instead of being horizontal, since the amount of resources you give up for one product should be equal to the amount of resources being used to produce the other product? However, you must consider that on the production possibility frontier, there is an increase in opportunity cost as the production of one product increases. The opportunity cost for the product is what you're sacrificing in order to make that combination of products. Not all resources can be equally productive in producing all of the products, and this causes the opportunity cost to increase as the production of one product increases. For example, if we are producing primarily microwaves, like from point A to point B, then the microwaves sacrificed is only 25 for the production of 100 more refrigerators. This is a considerably lower opportunity cost than from points C to D, which is 150 microwaves for the production of 100 refrigerators. This increasing opportunity cost is the reason the PPF curve is concave to the origin, as the increasing opportunity cost causes the production possibility frontier to increasingly slope downward. This progression from slightly negative to very negative creates the concave to the point of origin of the curve. So, today, you have learned about what is a PPF, what being inside and on and outside of the PPF means, why the PPF has a negative slope, and why it is concave to the origin. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again in my next video.